Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make text move following an object in a video on CapCut. So here I have this videos right here, and I want to add text that following the hand movement of an object in this video. So what you need to do is just add your text first. Okay, I'm going to add this text, and okay, I'm going to change the style first. I'm going to put it in here. Like this, and then just click on a check icon. Then you can just start by clicking on the text and find the options tracking, and here choose the area that you want to track. So I'm going to use the hand in this case. Click on start tracking and wait for the process to finish. Okay, now the tracking is complete and the text will follow the hand movement like so. If you want, you can also add animations to the text. For example, I want to add the okay, let's try the wave, and click on a check icon, and the text will go like this. Okay everyone, so that's all from me. I hope the simple tutorial will be helpful, so don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.